Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hira is here, your computer science teacher, and today is our third lecture of week 6 from the unit 1 fundamentals of computer. First we recap the previous lesson in which we discussed the microprocessor and ALU. Microprocessor basically is the main part of computer system that consists of ALU and control unit and register etc. And in ALU we discussed that it performs the arithmetic and logical operation, and in arithmetic operation perform the operation of addition, multiplication and division, and the logical unit it is used to perform the logical operation like comparison etc. And so here start our today's lecture in which we discuss the control unit and registers. In control unit, as its name represents, that it controls overall the operation of all the components of the computers. Like if I type from the keyboard, it process it accordingly and control the commands according to user instruction, and it control the working of all the input and output. Like if I give the input a plus b, it process it according to the operation of addition and display the results. Control units load the program into the memory and then execute them. When we open the program, its control units first load from the memory and then execute them and store them at the hard disk, and it consists of very complicated circuits. The next is registers. Registers are also the part of microprocessor. Registers are basically small memory chunks inside the microprocessor used to temporarily store the information during the execution of programs. When we work on some programs, the data or information temporarily stored in the register, and when we save the data, it then save on the permanent storage area or secondary storage area. Like if I open the Word documents and work on it, the information will save on the register, and after that when I save the document, then it's stored on the hard disk. So here is our lecture in which we discuss the control unit and register. The assignment of your today's lecture is what is the difference between ALU and control unit. So students, if you have any question or query, you can ask from me. Allah Hafiz.